In this video, I'll show you how to properly use a manual lens for your travel shots. So stay tuned.
Okay, alright.
Hey guys, Joe here, back with another video. So I have here a 7ARTISANS 25mm f1.8 and a 7.5mm f2.8. I recently used these lenses during my Balabak trip. I wanted to see how it performs to get those nice travel photos. For 7ARTISANS, there are two controls on the lenses. The aperture ring controls the aperture within the lens, and the focusing ring allows the user to focus on the scene. Your aperture and focusing are now done on the lens and you can control it in your camera body. To mount a manual lens on a camera, make sure the red marker matches the marker of your camera body. You also need to change your camera settings for it to work on these types of lenses. For Fujifilm users, just follow these steps. It kind of works the same way with other brands. First, go to the screwdriver icon, button setting, then turn on shoot without lens. Since these lenses don't have an electronic function, there's no way for the lens to communicate with the camera body. The next step is to go to AF/MF setting. Change the focus mode to manual focus. Now looking at the viewfinder or screen to see if the scene is in focus can be challenging sometimes. So I turn on my focus peaking. Focus peaking allows you to see which of the areas are on focus. To do this, go to MF Assist, then choose Focus Peak. I choose red high because I can see this color much better than the other options. There you go, your Fujifilm camera is ready to use 7ARTISANS lenses. Now here's a tip when I was using these lenses during my Balabak trip. Most of my travels are always on the go and in broad daylight. With the 25mm f1.8, it's a perfect all-around wide lens which is equivalent to a 35mm in an APS-C camera. So I use this when I want to have a subject and show the location I'm at. I usually shot this at f16 so that everything is sharp. The same goes with the 7.5mm f2.8. What I like about this lens is that it has a fisheye effect. So I like playing around with it and getting that exaggerated angle. It kind of reminds me of a GoPro effect actually. Now since these lenses have such wide apertures, I use them in some night shots. Make sure you have a tripod for this one. Set the lenses at their widest or smallest f number. Focus on the stars. Shoot at high ISO like 1600 to 3200 and long shutter speeds up to 30 seconds. Then you get some nice night shots. There you go, some tips you can use your 7ARTISANS for your travel shots. If you want to get yourself a 7ARTISANS lens, you can check their Facebook page and buy from their authorized dealers. I'll be posting more videos about these 7ARTISANS lenses in one of my future episodes. So stay tuned and don't forget to follow my social media pages. This is Joe Serrano signing out and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.